Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix unable to sign in on this device in Cash App. For example, if you log into your Cash App and this shows this kind of interface like unable to sign in on this device, then how you can fix that. So if you want to fix that error, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, the first step you have to check is you have to simply connect to a strong wireless connection. And if you are connected to Wi-Fi connection, you have to check whether it is working properly or not. And if it is working properly, you have to restart your Wi-Fi router and check whether problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can simply convert your internet to cellular data, and after that you have to check whether your problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is still there, what you have to do, you have to simply, if you are using iPhone or iOS device, you have to simply reset your network settings. And if you are using Android device, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode, and after that you have to turn it on again. In this way you can simply reset your network connections for the Android. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to the App Store or Play Store. If you are using Android, then you have to simply search for Cash App and you have to simply check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your Cash App. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to check you have not connected to any kind of VPN. And if you are connected to any kind of VPN, then you have to simply uh, remove that connection so that you cannot use the VPN while using the Cash App. And if you are logged into any other device, you have to make sure that you have log out all your account from that app, which means you cannot multiple log in the Cash App on more devices. And you have to make sure that you can simply use the Cash App only on one device. If it is showing this kind of error, which means you have to simply log in your account on other device also. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.